Now we discuss the interesting nature of the number. Interesting nature of few numbers. At first, suppose if we are taking the example of the number 145. Here factorial 1 plus factorial 5 plus factorial 10, that will be 1 plus factorial 4 equals to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that means 24. And here factorial 5, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 120. So it will be 145. So we can write 145 equals to individual digits, addition of factorial of individual digits, factorial 1 plus factorial 4 plus factorial 5, and this number is called Peterson number. So 145 is called Peterson number. Now if we are considering the digits, another example, if we consider 153, where 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube, that is 1 plus 125 plus 27 is equals to 157. This number is called Armstrong number. Similarly, another example is there. If we are taking also 371, here 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 1 cube, that is 27, plus 49 into 7, that means 49 into 7. 343 plus 1, that means here 11, 1 carry 7, 347. So 371 is also an Armstrong number. Similarly, 1634, 1 to the power 4 plus 6 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 4 plus 4 to the power 4, that will be also equals to 1 plus 6 is 36, 36 is 216 into 6, 6 is 36, 1 in carry, 6 1 is 6, 3 9, 12, 1296, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, 64 into 4, 4 4 16, 1 carry, 4 25, that is 256. If all we added 7 7 6 13, 13 1 14, 1 carry, 13 13 9 22, 22 1 23, 2 carry, 2 2 4, 4 2 6 1. So all we have observed, it is Armstrong number, and it is noticeable easily. Here is number is 4, so we are getting 1 to the power 4, 6 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4, and 4 to the power 4. In this way you can say any Armstrong number ranging from 0 to 999, and so 1634 is also an Armstrong number. And next cases we study the palindrome number. Palindrome is just for exchanging the number, like example 1 to 1. If we exchanging the digit 1 1 1, that means after exchanging 3 digit, it will be third digit is converted to first digit, second digit is second, and third digit is first, also 1 to 1. If we consider 1 3 3 1, that will be same, that will also be transferred to 1 3 3 1. All are called palindrome number. It is also noticeable for the character, not only the number, because radar, madam, it's also the nature of the palindrome. And if we consider another palindrome number, if we exchanging the digits like 131, 151, so many examples we find in the palindrome number. Thank you.